Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, today's lesson is about exercise 4G, and this 4G is on page number 66. Today the date is 10 November, and this is the mathematics class. My name is Rafaqat Ali, and we will discuss about dividing by whole numbers and mixed numbers. These are the types of whole numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All these are the whole numbers. And if the numbers are like this, these are called fractions. And if with fraction the number like 1, 3, 5, so we may call these kind of numbers mixed numbers. So we will study today about this kind of numbers. Here the question number 1. In question number 1, the 5 fraction 4 over 9 divide by 14 over 27. The first step, what should you do? You will convert this mixed number to improper fraction. 9 multiplied by 5, 45, 45 plus 4, 49, 49 over 9. This division will convert to multiply. When you convert division to multiply, this will revert. 27 will go up and 14 will come down. You can see here 27 go up and 14 comes down. Now the next step is simple. 49 multiplied by 27 and 9 multiplied by 14. So 49 multiplied by 27 and 9 multiplied by 14. So 1323 over 126. This will be the answer. Okay, now question number 2. You can look here. Question number 2. 3 multiplied by 8, 24 plus 1, 25 over 8. Divide 4 multiplied by 3, 12, 12 plus 3, 15, 15 over 4. This division will become to multiply, and this 4 go up, 15 comes down. 4 go up, 15 comes down. Now 25 multiplied by 4, 100, and 8 multiplied by 15 equal 120. The next one, 5 multiplied by 35, 36. 36 over 5 divided by 20 plus 7 equal 27. Now convert this division to multiply. 20 go up, 27 comes down. Now simply multiply 36 by 20 and 5 by 27. You can see here the multiply process. This will be the answer. Next, I will show you the questions only. You can see the question. If you want to take screenshots on the video, you can take it, or if you want to listen the video again and again, you can listen it. It will be helpful for you. This is question number 8. Same process, 9 multiplied by 6 plus 4, 3 multiplied by 1 plus 1. And division convert to multiply. This 3 go up, 4 comes down. Question number 12. Question number 20. And the homework is written in the weekly plan. You can go over there and check homework and solve it. Goodbye. See you later inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.